Hey guys, and welcome back to this video. In this video we are going to solve the problem that we were facing in the last video of users were not visible. But before that, let us fix all the errors, right? Hey, do you see any errors in my application? Please review it thoroughly. Let's see. So now what it will do, it will crawl or my application and it will see if any errors are there or not. I found several issues. See, it says that okay, I found several issues in the current types of okay. Let's see. Yeah, see, it is giving some errors, right? It is giving some errors related to user session. Critical issues found. Deleting the mock data. It has deleted the mock data. It has deleted the sidebar. Okay. Unused component. Okay, cool. Fix unused import. Okay, cool. See, it is automatically fixing everything for me. Great. 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 And it's working so far. Okay. Good to know. User registration, session management. Discover people. No, discover people problem has not been solved yet. Okay, we'll do it. Fix contact type. Okay, npm run build. And yeah, now it is building perfectly fine. So problem has been solved, right? The problem has been solved now. I don't want to run lent. Run. What it is doing now? Perfect, running successfully. Perfect. Now what I want, I have registered with couple of users, but I can't see in discover people, right? So in discover people it is showing me that no users are found. So please, can you look into this issue? Yeah, it's done. I can see the issue. The problem is likely with the user discovery logic. Let me investigate and fix the issue. Okay, I found the issue. The problem is with local storage and the browser specific. Oh, yeah. So the local storage is browser specific, right? Perfect. So when you register user in different browser, it can't see the other browser because each browser has its own local storage. Let me check if the intended behavior, if we need to fix it. Let me add some debugging and understand what's happening. Let me also add a method to expose all the, okay. So what we can do, let's ask him that, okay, let's do one thing. Let's make a backend API to fix this issue, right? So that we can store a user in, the database, and we get demo people, right? We get demo people. Now we are getting demo people, but I don't want demo people. Right? I don't want demo people. So what it has done, it has added demo people, and the problem is valid. It is saying that the problem is that since we are working on a cross browser, right? So the local storage for one browser is always in itself, and local storage for other browsers is always in itself, right? So maybe what you can do is, if we write a API, right, for all these features, then maybe that cross browser wala problem of local storage will get fixed, right? Isn't it? Let's see. It's absolutely, you're 100% correct. The real solution is backend API. The current problem is local storage. API solution benefits. Okay. Can I implement? Yes, of course. Why not? Yeah, buddy. Please go and please implement it. Please implement all the APIs. It's that easy. Perfect. Okay, now it is building the backend code as well. See, it has added a server. It has added a server over here, and it is building the things. Dun, dun, dun. Config env. Okay, cool. It will use MongoDB, right? It will use MongoDB, which is great. Perfect. Good to go. user.jsx. Okay, keep. What do you say, guys? Isn't it amazing thing? Friend request. See, now it has built a friend request.js. So over here it will get a like friend request wala part, right? Whether it's accepted, declined, or whatever it is. Cool, bhai. So by using this application, you can chat to your special person that you have in your life by keeping all the database in your control so that your chats won't get leaked. Isn't it good? Great, amazing. It is building all the APIs. My God, middleware. See, auth. Auth is the middleware. It has built the auth. Then config database. My goodness. I'm a non-developer person, but still I'm developing the things. Friend request. It is doing some modifications maybe in friend request.js. I don't know. Let it do the things. Yeah, let it do the things. This is great, buddy. This is great. So, I hope you are. Oh, sorry, my bad. Yeah. Accept it all. Accept, accept, accept. Keep, keep, keep. Let's do keep, 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 keep. Let me pause the video, right? And we'll get back once it is done with all the files creation and part, right? So see, the real-time chatting that happens over socket, right? Socket programming. So it has implemented the socket logic and now it is asking me to run it. Okay, let's run this because it has to install that socket now. So that's why it is okay, perfect. Okay, run npm install, keep it, and it has created the things for me. See, it's good. Perfect. Now let me create a comprehensive README file to complete API solution. Okay, perfect. Which looks good. Now, I still will get a problem. Discover people. Okay, and perfect now. Let it generate. Okay, so it has generated this thing successfully. Keep it. Start.sh. So it is creating me a sh file, right? The bash file. Okay, perfect. Keep. Run. Run. Okay, cool. Everything is done. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Before issue, after solve. Okay, perfect. Now, kill both frontend and backend. Come on. Okay, let me kill it. Leave it. Yep. Okay. Now it has done. Let me delete the existing local storage. Inspect applications, local storage. Delete this. Reload. Perfect. Inspect application, local storage. Delete this. Session storage. Do I have something? No. Perfect. Reload it. Let me start it again. Let me start it once again. Okay, so yep, now it is getting started. Perfect. And let's start this as well. So now I'll ask him that, okay, Just check if front end and back end are integrated completely in my application, or do I missing any API calls or something like that. Just check it once, and if everything seems okay, then please run the back end. Or if you want anything from my end, just let me know. Simple as that. Let's do it. Slow request and fast request. Oh my god, it's taking time. It's taking time. It's taking time. Okay, so now it is saying that okay, it has done everything, right? And let's run this. And npm run dev, I guess. Okay, run this. Run this. Run this. Run this. Run this. Run this. Oh my god. I don't know what it is asking me to do. I'm just doing it. Port 5000 being used by control container. Let me check the backend at 5001. Okay, cool. So some port is busy, I guess. Port is already being used by someone else, I guess. So it's shifting it to another port. Okay. Keep it. Socket.js. Is it working? I'm not sure if it will work or not after so many changes, but let's see. If it does, it's good. Okay. Nodemon server. Okay, it has scaled. Run it. Status okay. Massive WhatsApp clone API is running. Okay, WhatsApp clone API is running. That is good. It's good. Yes, it's good. The backend is now running successfully. Let me update the README file and okay, perfect. Let us see Rishabh and okay, and let me okay, let me see for errors. Okay, network tab. Let me clear it. Ah, it's saying failed. It's saying failed. Okay, no worries. Yeah, now it is checking for curl actually. Okay, cool. Let's see what it is doing. I'm not sure. npm run dev starting node mode. Okay, perfect. Now what to do? Will it work? Registration failed. Try again. Okay, let's try it once again. Okay, no content. Why no content? Bad request. Okay, so it is saying 400 bad request, right? It is saying 400 bad request, right? So let me do one thing. Nodemon crash. Okay, let me copy this. Yeah, now it will automatically see. So let me close all these things actually first now. Let me close all these things and let me say that okay, you also get stop, right? You also get stop. Let me delete all these things. Let me clear everything. Let me clear everything, right? Let me not close this, right? So I'll say run my front end and back end again, right? Okay, let's see. Oh, it's in queue. Stop it and let's send this. Okay, npm run dev. So yes, here it's running backend and npm run dev, and here it's running the front end part as well. So okay, cool, perfect. Let's create once again. Let's create once again. Okay. Okay, Charso is saying bad request. Why it's saying bad request, I don't know. Let's copy this curl, copy as curl, right, and run this maybe, right. Oh yeah, run bhai, ठीक है यार, everything is running fine. Okay baba, copy as curl, and now I'll hit it, and now I'll say that okay, what is the issue? The issue is backend is crashing because MongoDB is not running. Okay, MongoDB is not running, right? So we'll have to fix MongoDB. We'll have to fix MongoDB as well. No worries. I know how to fix that. We'll fix it next video. Okay. Run this. Please enter a valid phone number, I guess it's saying. Okay, cool. Run this. Test phone number. I guess it's done now. I guess it's done now. Let me check if backend is still running a test with a simple phone number. Okay, run this. Yeah, it's running now. The backend seemed to have crashed again. Backend seemed to have crashed again. Backend is crashing again and again. So no worries. Let's not keep this video lengthy, right? Let's stop this here only, and we'll fix this issue in the next video, right? Okay. So yep, I guess that's it for this video. We'll meet you again in the other video. Till then, thank you. Bye bye and take care.